Hey everyone, welcome to our quick guide on how to link your BVN to Palmpay for a seamless banking experience. First of all, open the Palmpay app on your smartphone. If you haven't already, make sure you are logged into your account. To link your BVN, tap on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Next, select Link BVN or Access KYC verification section. From the list of options, you will be prompted to enter your 11-digit BVN number. Carefully enter your BVN and double check for accuracy. Once you are sure it's correct, tap Submit. You will receive a confirmation message once your BVN is successfully linked. This ensures your transactions are secure and your account is verified. And that's it. Linking your BVN to Palmpay is quick and easy. Download Palmpay today and enjoy secure transactions. Thanks for watching.